This is part 2. I have used this for about 5 months now, and I'm going to show you my modifications that I made and how I've been using it. There's the filter system. I added this valve on top. I thought maybe it would leak back through the system, but I was kind of wrong. It didn't matter if it was there or not, but I put the valve on it. Right now I'm draining out some of the fluid out of the filter. So every time I use it, I drain maybe 6-8 ounces of fluid out. Now I'm going to put the fluid back in after I drained it. Now I'm adding fluid into the top of the unit. Because every time that you use the unit, you should drain out around anywhere like 8 ounces out of the bottom of the filter. You plug it in, let it run for a while, let it set for about 4 or 5 hours to let the water settle to the bottom of that filter, and then you just drain it out. And I was just trying to do a rule of thumb, you know, a half a cup. Now I'm filling the unit back up. To where I think it should be. And it's really hard to see that fluid level because this stuff is clear, that lens is fairly clear, and it's very difficult for an old fart to see it. So now I think I'm done filling it. I'm going to plug the circulation pump of the filter in just to make sure there are no air gaps in the filter or anything. So right now it's running. Now I'm letting it run for a while. After I let it run for a little bit, then I check the level to make sure that it's filled. I'm operating the camera myself, so sorry about the shakes. And I noticed, guess what? I overfilled it. So it's really easy. I still got the pump actually running. I'm watching the level, and I'm just draining it out of the cup and drained it to the level it's required. Then I put the plug back, and then I shut off the valve. And that's it. It's ready to go. So thank you for watching. This seems to be a successful filtration system. You need to watch the first video because the way I use the filtration system is that after it's completely done, while it's still warm, I plug the recirculating pump on for probably 20-30 minutes. I just let that thing run. It doesn't really matter how long. That's sufficient amount of time. And then I unplug it, and then I let it settle for 4 or 6 hours or so, and then I drain out the excess fluid from the bottom of the filter and then refill it. And after I put it back up to the right level again, it's ready to use again. Just in case you missed the first part of this video, I just added that comment in here. Thank you for watching again. So have a nice day.